So you have a disc lock and a cover. But what's the next best thing to get to secure your motorcycle? In this video, I'm doing a quick unboxing and setup on the very popular Monimoto GPS Tracker. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos and product reviews. Also, tips to help keep you safe on the road. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Let's go. So this shipped from Lithuania and made it to me here in the US in 2 days. Wow. Some companies here in the US don't even ship out that fast. Alright, let's see what's inside. So you get a pair of zip ties for installing on your bike. This right here is the key fob. It works in tandem with the tracking device. Best place for this is on your keyring. Last but not least, of course, is the tracker itself. Let's move on to the setup. So following the directions, the first thing to do is to download the Monimoto app. Next, you have to activate the batteries in the device. Getting this thing open is probably the most challenging part of this entire process. You literally have to pray to God to give you the strength to pop this thing open. At this point, you simply remove the tab and the batteries are activated. Just a quick note, you do have a monthly fee of $3.50 to keep service on the SIM card going. Be sure to hit that like button if you're getting value from this video. The next thing to do is to pair everything together. For these next steps, you want to keep your phone, the key fob, and the Monimoto device very close together. So in the app, find and choose the serial number that matches your device. Then name your vehicle, add your phone number, then select pair. Then it asks if you want to update. Choose update now. Then it'll start. After this is completed, you're all set. So now that you've completed all of the setup steps, this is the time you have to get creative and find the best place for the Monimoto on your bike. Be sure to choose a spot that makes it hard for anyone to know that you have a GPS tracker. This really is the most hassle-free way to have a GPS tracker on your motorcycle. Most other trackers have to be wired to your bike's battery, which can lead to battery drainage. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.